Welcome to our guide on how to use AI to find profitable affiliate marketing niches. In this video, we'll show you how to use AI to identify high-potential niches, analyze market trends, and generate content that will help you attract more customers and earn more money. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. However, it's important to choose a niche that is profitable and has low competition. AI can help you do this by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying niches that meet these criteria. Once you've identified a few potential niches, the next step is to analyze market trends. This will help you understand the current state of the market and identify opportunities for growth. AI can help you track key metrics such as search volume, social media engagement, and website traffic. Finally, you'll need to generate content that will attract customers to your affiliate links. AI can help you create high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. This will help you build trust and credibility with your readers and increase your chances of making a sale. Finding a profitable niche is the key to success in affiliate marketing. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you focus on. When you choose a niche, you're essentially choosing a group of people who are interested in the same thing. This makes it easier to target your marketing efforts and attract customers who are likely to be interested in your products or services. There are many different ways to find a profitable niche. One way is to use AI. AI can help you analyze vast amounts of data to identify niches that are in high demand and have low competition. This will help you focus your efforts on the niches that are most likely to generate a profit. When you're looking for a profitable niche, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, you want to make sure that the niche is in high demand. This means that there are a lot of people who are interested in the topic. Second, you want to make sure that the niche has low competition. This means that there are not a lot of other businesses competing for the same customers. AI can help you find niches that meet these criteria. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify niches that are in high demand and have low competition. This will help you focus your efforts on the niches that are most likely to generate a profit. Once you've identified a few potential niches, the next step is to analyze market trends. This will help you understand the current state of the market and identify opportunities for growth. Market trends are the changes that are happening in the market over time. These trends can be anything from changes in consumer behavior to changes in technology. It's important to be aware of market trends so that you can adapt your marketing strategy accordingly. AI can help you track key metrics such as search volume, social media engagement, and website traffic. This data can help you identify trends and make informed decisions about your marketing strategy. For example, if you see that a certain keyword is getting a lot of search volume, you may want to create content that targets that keyword. Or, if you see that a certain social media platform is getting a lot of engagement, you may want to focus your marketing efforts on that platform. By understanding market trends, you can make sure that your marketing strategy is always up to date and effective. Finally, you'll need to generate content that will attract customers to your affiliate links. This content can take many forms, such as blog posts, articles, videos, or social media posts. The most important thing is that your content is high quality and relevant to your target audience. AI can help you create high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. AI can be used to generate ideas for content, write content, and even optimize content for search engines. By using AI to generate content, you can save time and effort while still creating high-quality content that will attract customers to your affiliate links. Here are a few tips for creating high-quality content. Make sure your content is well-written and informative. Use keywords throughout your content to help people find it. Promote your content on social media and other online channels. Be patient and consistent with your content creation efforts.